Okay, today we will talk about how to find top keywords with a paid tool like Ahrefs. Ahrefs, as we all know, is one of the number one keyword finding tool. Now, Ahrefs, if we go to their website, Ahrefs is very costly tool. Subscription starts from $99 and it goes up to $999. But most of us would not be able to afford this cost. So today I'll let you know that how to get this tool for 299 rupees only. Now we can start finding top keywords from Google Auto Suggestion tool. Now Google Auto Suggestion gives you some advice about the keywords. It may not give you main advice for the keywords, but it will give you that some advice for the keywords. Once we are writing something, so there are 8-10 advices which are given by the Google, and these are said to be auto suggestion words. But then we do not know what is the search volume and what is the keyword difficulty level. For that, we have to use any of the paid tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, and most of them start from $99 per month, as I said earlier. So today I'll tell you how we can go for group buy of such tools, which can be said to be the economical version of the paid tools, and it makes it so economical that everybody can afford it. The advantage of buying these paid tools is that we come to know of the keywords which are having high search volume and which is having low competition. Low competition means low keyword difficulty. So let us go to one such tool and let me show which I have been using it and it is working fine. All the keyword tools doesn't work fine, but this is the keyword tool which works fine. I'll give you the link in the description. Now what you have to do is you have to create your own account, like I have already created, so I do not need to create the account. I will straight away go into login and then you will get to know to this screen. Now if you want to buy each tool, there is a price for that tool. Like in case of Ahrefs, the price given is 299 per month. But I'll strongly advise go for this combo which is 599 per month. Now 599 per month you will get 20 such tools. Okay, let me now go to Ahrefs and help you in finding out the keywords, how it is better and how you can identify top keywords. Let me show it very quickly. Now from this tool we have reached to Ahrefs, and in Ahrefs there are three major things: Site Explorer, any site which we can explore; Content Explorer, we can explore any kind of content; and Keyword Explorer. We will today mainly focus on Keyword Explorer and how to find top keywords using Ahrefs. Suppose I am looking for perfumes for men. Now any niche on which you are working, you want to find out, and I am working on, suppose, Indian market. So I'll choose that and I'll search. Now what it will give me, that keyword difficulty score is 9. So this is a score out of 100. Lesser the score means easy is the keyword, and volume is 21,000. So a great search volume and easy, but it will give you some more ideas. Now top 10 perfumes has got 5700 for men, 57, and let us see what is the keyword difficulty. Keyword difficulty is high. So as compared to that, the last keyword was having more search volume and keyword difficulty was 9 only. So that was a better seems to be a better keyword in terms of search volume as well as keyword difficulty. So there are various other things which you can come to know with the help of this top 10 results which will come in Google, and various other features are there which you can explore and which I'll discuss over a period of time. I hope it will help, and do not waste time. You never know when this deal will close. So I have given the link in the description, and grab that deal now. That's all for this video. Thank you.